Hey everybody, it's Eddie here from Indian Head Chrysler. Today I'm going to show you one of our fresh trades. This just came in over the weekend here, right before this big snowstorm rolled in. Not often that we see a Gladiator traded in, so I thought I'd make a fresh trade video. You can check it out. It is here on our lot and it is currently available, so hope to see you down here. Let's turn the camera on, let's take a look at it. All right, so here we are, 2021 Jeep Gladiator Mojave. Beautiful color as well, with that orange stitching. This is the Sting Gray, of course. It's got the black interior, the LED lighting package, so you get the LED headlights as well as the fog lamps. Very, very nice condition. We'll take a look at the interior here, and you'll notice that that orange color for the Mojave emblem follows through on here with the stitching of the vehicle, as well as some of the details in the vehicle cab itself. Very well taken care of. Full leather interior, of course, with the bright orange Mojave emblem on there. It does have navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all of those things. Of course, the Off-Road Plus and all of that options, all those options are on the bottom there. It does have the upgraded Alpine premium sound system as well. So if you do like to play your music loud, you know that that's the system you want to get in these. Take a look at the second row here. Again, very, very nice shape. No rips or tears or anything like that on the leather. It does have the sprayed in bed liner. That's a great option to have on these. Backup camera, of course. Your bright tow hooks. And your front facing trail cam is also right there. Nice little feature. If you do take it out on the trail, you know exactly where you are and what you need to do to get over any obstacles. So that's a quick look at our fresh trade 2021 Jeep Gladiator Mojave. Again, it's on the lot, just arrived just a couple of days here. As you can see, clearance sign is on there. All of our used inventory is on clearance. All of it must go. We had a very busy February, so we have a lot of fresh trade-ins. So I'm going to start making these on a regular basis so that you guys can see exactly what we have. If you have any questions, anything at all, or if you see a vehicle on our website that you want a video made of, let me know and I can certainly do that for you. Give us a shout, 306-695-2254, or check us out online at ihchrysler.ca. Come down and find out why everybody's driving another Indian Head Chrysler.